So finally, maybe we are rolling. I'm not sure. Is it going? Does it work now? Hopefully the stream is live. I'm not sure because I was live on Instagram. Then I was live on a stream that was created for this Thursday, I believe, and it just wasn't working. Hopefully everything is fine now. Seems like it is. The last time I said that it's gonna be the last stream that will be done in English, I was wrong. We will do one more. Uh, I've been actually getting quite a few messages during the week that people are just like said that it's a last live stream, even though we really got a few of people that were from different countries than Slovakia or uh, or Czech Republic. So since the Czech YouTube channel is not done yet, I decided that we will do one more stream in English. It's gonna be a quick Sunday focus, so basically covering the plan for the upcoming days. Before we will start, I just want to say huge thanks for the masterclass that we had yesterday. That was just unreal feeling, honestly. 100 people came to our office, came to Ford Traders office, and saw my presentation about liquidity, supply and demand, plenty of value, I would say, and it was really, really amazing. Anyways, let's focus on EURUSD. I will be covering only EURUSD, and this is going to be pretty quick stream because I just want to give you a heads up about what is happening and what is likely to happen in the upcoming 5 days on this pair. So we got a crazy momentum to the upside. I'm not really sure about why it's going so quickly to the upside because I wasn't really trading this week. I'm finishing the things for the huge announcement that we will be doing during this week, and the final announcement will be on 20th of March. So plenty of things coming, and I'm just working super hard on making this a final product, making this a final thing. It's not really going to be a product. It's going to be something that is going to help you to get to completely different level. And yeah, I can say more because I'm being too open about it. Let's keep it private for a few more days, and then you will finally know what it's all about. Anyways, let's talk about EURUSD. So the first zone that I'm looking to buy, and I will really be buying only here, once the price gets to this level and sweeps the liquidity. Ideally, like the ideal trade setup would actually be below the low here. That would be the best level that is right now on the chart. So basically sweeping this level and tapping this level down there. That would be the ideal trade scenario. Anyway, so this is the zone number 1 that I will be paying attention to. I'm definitely looking just for a buys. Even though we have some resistance above us, the momentum is pretty strong, and I'm not really expecting that that we will switch or flip the whole trend. This is the second potential level that I'm personally not going to be buying, but you may be. If you are looking for a day trading or like a day trading setup, this is the way to go, I would say. This is the trade setup that you want to be aware of. So just look for sweeping the low here, price moving down there, sweeping the liquidity, basically tapping into this demand. That may be your second potential trade setup that you currently have on a chart. If you pull a Fibonacci, you see that we stopped at 382. This is also lining up with a 618 and a 66, and I believe that we may have either value area low, high volume node, or naked POC at around this level. Yeah, a little bit below it. So this is also going to be a naked point of control. So plenty of things, plenty of confluences coming around this level. This is going to be an important zone on EURUSD chart. What I want to do is I want to cover a little bit more in depth what is happening here in terms of the market structure, in terms of the current trend, so on and so forth. So this is definitely a break of structure. We don't really have to talk about it. That's a sure thing. It's going to be an IBOS, internal break of structure, of course. Internal low is going to be here. Is this enough of a pullback to actually mark this as an internal high? No, not yet. We need to get movement down to this box. That's why I said that I will be buying only down there. It just makes sense from the fundamental perspective. It also makes sense from the market structure perspective. Fundamental side, I'm not going to be covering that more in depth today because I've done like a really quick brief about what is happening now, and it does make sense to me. What I will be looking for is a move down out of this supply, sweeping the liquidity, getting into this box. If you want to be really, really, really aggressive, you may look for a short opportunity. Where is it? It's going to be either here, above the highs, where you have the local liquidity. More likely, it's going to be up here. So basically retracement and then coming down. That would be the thing that I would actually be paying attention to right now as we are speaking. Since I'm not really day trading and I will be looking for more of intraday trades, swing trades, I'm looking for that level down there, that supply and demand. That's going to be the key zone for me personally. And that's going to be the trade that I will be looking for. I said just a quick brief. I'm going to give it a few more minutes and then I'm going to shut down the stream because I said I'm not trading and I don't really want to be giving you some advices on something that I'm not really doing. So if I'm not really planning to trade for the upcoming 5 days, I don't really want to be guiding you because, you know, I'm not going to be trading. So it's like these fake trading gurus that are teaching you about trading, but they are actually doing only marketing. That's basically the same thing. That's not what I want to do. So locally, this is the local supply. If you look at a 5-minute time frame, there is a fair value gap. Plenty of liquidity above these highs. I would be looking for coming up to these zones here, basically 618 and a 66, and potentially you may be getting into a short here. I'm just going to preset an alert because I just want to be alerted once it hits. I'm not going to be I don't want to say I'm not going to be, because tomorrow if I will have a free time and the level is hit, I'm going to take a trade. You guys will tell to me that I was saying that I'm not going to be trading it. Most likely I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to take a trade here. If I will be free, if I will have a free time and I will be actually focused on a chart, I may take it. But most likely I won't. But anyways, you are looking for a move up. You are looking for a move up to around here, sweeping the liquidity of the highs, and then we are looking for a move down, considering what is happening in the market right now. Naked point of control down there, that will be important level, but let's pay a little bit more focus to the 4-hour time frame. Liquidity swept, supply is hit. The 382 is coming down around this level. If the price will continue in a move up, then this is your next zone. But I don't really think that it will. But if so, then this is the next zone that you are looking for. Very, very simply said. How many people we got? 111. That's decent. No, there's not going to be a giveaway. Or I think that they were actually. There was actually a giveaway shown on Instagram. So let's do a giveaway. Okay, let's do a giveaway. I'm just thinking about what should be the question. Okay, so now I have a question for you guys. Let's do it. The first 2 guys that answers correctly, or two traders, let's say, it doesn't have to be guys. The first 2 that will answer correctly, I'm gonna give you 10K challenge. So 20K will be on a stream. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. The question for today is, what is currently the biggest evaluation account that you can buy with 4 traders? Let's do it. First 2 wins. Yes, these 2 guys are winners. You see live here. Lucas and NA Hit are the winners of today's giveaway, of today's quick 2 10K challenges. All right, so I think that's done. We covered what we wanted to. I covered the EURUSD. I told you that I'm not really going to be trading. I showed you the key levels. We have the giveaway, and we had amazing masterclass yesterday. What else do we want? It was perfect. Like, hands down, probably one of the best days so far in 2024 for me. And I've had plenty of really good days already. But this was like perfect, amazing. I'm honestly speechless. It's like, 2 years ago I was scared to talk in front of like two people that I didn't know. Now we got 140 people coming to the office to see me performing and talking about trading. That's unreal, and I'm like so grateful for the community. It's amazing. It's when you see live, then you actually realize how many people are behind the whole thing, and it's not just like numbers and letters on a screen. It's actually like goddamn crazy. I loved it. It was amazing, guys. You can stop. You can stop. You can stop posting 100K to the chat. We already have winners. Anyways. Yes, we'll be adding the masterclass to the CW trading course. Will do. We are grateful for you, bro. Appreciate it. I'm grateful for you guys. How was your day going? Amazing. We had a very, very nice dinner with my mom yesterday. Uh, Today we had great breakfast in the old town. And then I was working again, straight to the office once she left. I'm not going to be covering gold today, guys. This is basically it for today's live stream. I know it was a pretty short one, but I don't want to be really going in depth since I'm not going to be trading. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for your 12 minutes of life, 12 minutes of your time. Hopefully it helped you at least a little bit. I know that it wasn't really in depth. And to my English community, guys, I hope that this is not a last live stream that we do. For upcoming few weeks, we'll be doing it in the Czech language. If you will really be missing the streams, we may add English and Czech. It's just like we need to see at least 300, 400 people on the live stream. You will definitely see this amount of people on the Czech live streams because the Czech community is just amazing. Anyways, thank you so much again. While I'm just going to give everything from my know-how to the Czech and Slovak community. Thank you, and see ya again maybe in a few months.